Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be doing a requested eyeliner tutorial. Someone requested it, so I'm going to go ahead and do it for you, girl. So if you'd like to see this video, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to explain this video as best as I can. I'm not that good at top lid eyeliner, but I'm going to show you how I do it. I just want to go ahead and mention though that when you use an eyeliner, you want to make sure that you are comfortable with the eyeliners that you do use, because there's a million, it feels like, kinds of eyeliners. So the three that I can bring to your attention that I own and I've tried, the first one is a basic eye pencil. This is by NYX or NYX. This is just a black eye pencil. It looks like, your regular like lip liner pencil. You could use this one. Then you also have this one, which is a liquid eyeliner, and this one is by Starlux Pro. It's a artist edition eyeliner pencil. It comes with your basic eyeliner tip. It's more sharp at the tip, and it gives you more of a how should I put it? It gives you more of an edgier, sharper look. And then this one that I'm more comfortable with is a gel eyeliner pencil. And this one is by Ciate London. This is their Wonder Wand pencil. What I like about this is it's an eye pencil, like the first one I showed you, but it is gel. So it gives you more of a smoother, it glides on better, it gives me better results. So I'm going to be demonstrating how I do my winged eyeliner. So let's go ahead and get into it, okay? So you're going to, firstly, you're going to make sure, right now I have no eyeshadow on, no mascara, no nothing, okay? I just have a bit of a brow, and I wanted to focus on this winged liner without having a distraction of eyeshadow. So we're going to go ahead and get into it, okay? So the first things first, you want to focus on how your eye shape is, okay? And how winged you want it to be. Sometimes I'll go for a longer wing, sometimes I'll go for a shorter wing, but you want to focus on how winged out you want the eyeliner to look, okay? Here's the edge, right there. And that is going to be your guide. Once you have that, you're just going to take the eye pencil and you're going to use the edge of the eye pencil, and you're basically going to kind of use your eye shape to guide you out, okay? As you see, there's already a bit of a marking there, so I'm using that to guide me out. And as you see, it's starting to come together. Now, like I said, you can do it as long, you can do it as short, you can do as minimal as you like it to look. And for this focus of this video, I'm just going to do it as minimal as I feel like it looks better. So yeah, so just basically take that, and once you have that bottom guide, just like that, once you have that bottom guide, you're going to then take the top and you're going to bring it in towards your eyelid, and you're going to bring it in very carefully, because you don't want to have it too thick looking, so you want to bring it in very gently so it can look even, okay? So let's go ahead and bring it in. And as you see, it's going to start to look like a triangle, okay? So once you start to have that shape, you are going to then take this, the triangle, and you're going to bring it over the eyelid just a little bit. just a little bit. You're going to bring it in from the bottom lash, just a little bit, you know what I mean? So this is basically how I usually do it. And I just bring it in very, very short. I don't even bring it in all the way. I just bring it in just a little bit, kind of accentuates, widens the eye a bit. So I'm gonna do the next part, and I'm gonna do a speed through for that part, just so you can get the gist, so I won't be talking as much. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into that part. Okay, so this is basically how it is going to look. Now, this is a short, simple video. I really hope that I have explained quite well as to how you can do the wing liner. And the best thing I would say is to just practice how to do the wing liner, practice how you like it to look. And you'll get it, you know what I mean? If you can do lower eyeliner, trust me, you'll be able to do a wing liner. You could also, another tip, you could also use tape as well, just to achieve that wing liner on the edge of the eye, like right where your lower lash kind of stops. You put the tape right there, and then you're going to bring in the eyeliner, and you just use that as a guide, you know what I mean? You can do it that way. So there's so many ways to do the winged eyeliner. And like I said, just practice. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know how it goes. Do a video on it. I'll definitely stop by and take a look at it and see how you did. But I got faith in you, girl. I know you can do it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.